Mobile welding fume extraction equipment for arc welding market. Market share, growth by business developments 2022 to 2027. Mobile welding fume extraction equipment for arc welding market. Market share, growth by business developments 2022 to 2027. Mobile welding fume extraction equipment for arc welding market overview. Mobile welding fume extraction equipment is a device that is meant to remove toxic fumes as they arise from welding. Welders wear masks or enclosed booths in order to avoid direct contact with harmful gases, such as ozone and nitric oxide, which can cause headaches and damage the lungs. They also utilize gas-fired torches equipped with protective pipes connected to a blower system that sucks at the vapors before they have a chance of entering the environment. Acknowledging the kind of traction gained by this market, recently published a study report asserts the global mobile welding fume extraction equipment for arc welding market size is projected to accrue voluminously by 2027, registering a phenomenal CAGR of around 6.4% during the review period. 2022 to 2027. Key players: Lincoln Electric, Kemper, Colfax, Netterman, Plymouth, Master Weld, ULT, Miller Electric. Mobile welding fume extraction equipment for arc welding market by types and applications. Types: 1 exhaust arm, 2 exhaust arms. Applications: automobile, industrial. Others. March 04th 2021, Colfax Corporation, NYSE, CFX, a leading diversified technology company, today announced its intention to separate its fabrication technology and specialty medical technology businesses into two differentiated, independent, and publicly traded companies. Thank you. Contact us. Phone number: 1-704-266-3234. Email address: contact@industry.analytics.com. Website: www.industry.analytics.com.